Who said men aren't supposed to wear makeup? Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I am a beauty and lifestyle journalist for Beauty Insider. Let's be real, BB creams comes with so many benefits besides coverage. Think of them like tinted moisturizers or even sunscreens. So here are only the best BB creams that you can get in Singapore. The first BB cream that I would suggest would be the Laneige HOMME Sun BB SPF 50 PA+++. Packed with SPF 50, this BB cream doubles as a sunscreen to protect your skin from the harsh sun rays. It also works to cover unflattering imperfection and correct uneven skin tones for a natural skin-like finish. The best part, this BB cream comes with so many shades that you can choose from. There's also the Lab Series BB Tinted Moisturiser Broad Spectrum SPF 35. As the very first brand to launch a BB cream catered just for men, you know that this BB cream is the OG when it comes to delivering flawless skin. Ideal for all skin types, this BB cream is a blemish balm and repair treatment cream all rolled in one. Besides camouflaging imperfection, this BB cream contains lots of moisturizing properties that allows hydration to take place very easily. Other than that, you can also try the Face Shop Clean Face Oil Control BB cream. With its sebum controlling powers, this BB cream absorbs any excess oil to banish midday shine. What's more, this BB cream contains chamomile extract, which is known to soothe irritated skin. The reason why we love this BB cream so much is because it's so ideal for sensitive skin or even people with acne-prone skin. Next up, I highly recommend the Iope Men Air Cushion. Perfect for those who are not fans of heavy makeup, this BB cream promises to blur out any imperfections while leaving your skin with an all-natural, no-makeup finish. It controls sebum production, high coverage, and has lightweight texture. In fact, it doesn't even fade away when you're in a hot or humid climate. Not only that, you should also consider the Erborian BB cream or Ginseng. As its name suggests, this BB cream features ginseng extract as its star ingredient, which is known to fight off all visible signs of aging from fine lines to dark eye circles. Aside from its skincare benefits, this BB cream promises to cover up blemishes to leave you with a luminous semi-matte finish. The reason why this BB cream is so good is because it's lightweight, it's moisturizing, and it refines skin texture. Another great contender in this list would be the Innisfree Force for Men BB Grooming Cream. With a silky and smooth texture, this BB cream contains black yeast, which works to form an invisible veil over your skin to protect it from irritation causing aggressors. The reason why we love it so much is because it has a silky smooth texture, high SPF. In fact, you don't even need to apply too much of it because little goes a long way with this product. Next up, I highly recommend getting the Ren Skincare Satin Perfect BB Cream. Formulated with photo-rejuvenating technology, this BB cream improves skin elasticity and smoothens out fine lines and wrinkles to give your skin its youthful glow. It's silicone-free, improves skin firmness, and has a matte finish. So all you gotta do is just pat it down on your skin for a few seconds and voila! Beautiful as day! Finally, the last BB cream I want to include would be the Roche-Posay Uvidea BB Cream. Designed to fit Asian skin types and concerns, this BB cream blends seamlessly into the skin without leaving the skin with an oily finish. Moreover, thermal spring water in this foundation works to soothe the skin and protect it from harmful environmental addresses. It looks natural, it has high SPF, and it has long-lasting coverage. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to discover, shop, and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!